Now this is an interesting one. Um, we used to have a saying on our Verbo and View IT workshops we used to run. There was no such thing as a free lunch. So when you get something for free, there's always a sign up, or there's always something you've got to do. And this is the same with Excel. So if you've got your new computer and you're thinking, oh, I thought Excel would be on there, it often isn't, because Excel doesn't come with Windows automatically. Often people get it through their have had Excel because they've been employed by someone who uses Excel, or it might have been a standalone version that's been on their laptop for a long time, and they get their new computer and they're suddenly like, oh, I haven't got Excel. So you can get a free version, but what you do need is a Outlook or a Hotmail account. Now if you've already got one and you log into that account on the internet, you can do this already. But the first thing I would do if you haven't got an Outlook account or Hotmail is go to outlook.com and sign up for an account. So let's then have a look, once you've got that account set up, how you can get the free version of Excel. So when you've gone into outlook.com, you'll see two options of sign in or sign up. So you need to sign up for a free account if you haven't already got one, and I'll leave you to enter all that information. And then when you've got that free account and signed in, this is what you'll see. You'll see your inbox. Now it takes you to that, but in the left hand corner, it tells you what you're in. Actually, it tells you in Outlook, and next to that is this 9 dotted square, and this 9 dotted square allows you to see all the different parts. And what you might even see as well down the left hand side, it doesn't show up in everybody's, but on the left hand side, can you see there, got the Excel icon? Okay, I've also got Word, PowerPoint, and To Do. That's a really handy one as well. But if you don't see them, go up to the dotted square and click on it, and it will show you. And you've got Teams, you've got Excel, Word. So if somebody's trying to get in touch with you on Teams, or invited you to a team, and they use this Outlook email, you'll be able to join the team discussion. So it actually becomes really good. But let's go into Excel. There's Excel. And I'm going to go into a blank workbook. Now this might look slightly different to what you're used to using, because obviously you're using it on the web. So at the top you're going to get all your web windows, but that's not too much of a problem. You'll also find some of the buttons, it hasn't quite got them all, but it's definitely getting better. And actually I can expand my ribbon. I tend to do this anyway. So if we look at the end of the ribbon, there's a little arrow there, and I click on that arrow, and I just like to go to the classic ribbon, and I find that a little bit more informative. So if you wanted to do that, so at the moment it's looking fairly like Excel, and a lot of the functions are available. So if I did equals sum, you'll see that's available. Equals if, there we go, I can use an if. I can use ifs, so we can use VLOOKUP as well. There you go, VLOOKUPs there. So a lot of the general functions are available. Not everything is possible, and if you're used to doing all the nuts and bolts and some of the fancy stuff, it won't be on this version. But I would say if you're in the position where you're sort of looking for employment, or you want to follow on with our videos, 90% of the stuff you can do on here, and they're adding to it all the time. So that's how you get the free version of Excel. You do need an Outlook account for it to work, but once you've got that set up, you can just go into Explorer, sign into Outlook, use that dotted square, and that will take you into Excel. Don't forget to like or subscribe if you found this useful. I hope you did, and thanks very much for watching. If there's anything else you want to see included on the videos, let me know, and I can make sure I do a video on it. Thank you.